I've spent the last 15 years shaping the cloud strategy for two of the biggest tech companies in the world, Google and Microsoft. I've hired hundreds of engineers, advised CTOs of Fortune 500 companies, and authored #1 best-selling books in cloud and AI. I know exactly what separates a candidate who gets the interview from the one who gets the job. And the hard truth? Most candidates are studying the wrong way. They try to learn everything at once. I spent the last month auditing 50 of the most popular cloud computing courses on the market. Most are outdated or too shallow, but 3 of them, they stand apart from all the others. Let's dive in. I'll give you a bonus tip, my exact roadmap that you need to get hired this year. So stick around till the end. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is cloud FOMO. You try to learn AWS on Monday, Azure on Wednesday, and Google Cloud on Friday. You end up knowing the names of services, but you don't know how to build anything. How should you approach learning cloud? If you are new here, I am Priyanka. I currently lead a team of cloud engineers and architects at Microsoft, and before this, I led Developer Advocacy for North America at Google. Here's my advice as a hiring manager. Pick one provider and go deep. Think of it like learning to drive. If you learn to drive a Toyota, you can drive a Honda. The concepts, steering, braking, accelerating are the same. In the cloud, if you understand compute, storage, and networking on one platform, you can easily learn the others later. So step 1 is to pick your car, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Pick one, and once you pick, here's the best course to start your engine. My #1 pick, regardless of whichever cloud you choose, is DataCamp. I have to mention the platform I personally keep coming back to for cloud fundamentals. DataCamp. If you're serious about breaking into cloud, DataCamp makes the learning curve so much less intimidating. Their AWS Cloud Practitioner track is my go-to recommendation for anyone starting out because it gets you hands-on with EC2, S3, RDS, security, and cost management, exactly what you need to pass the certification and actually understand how AWS works. If you prefer Azure, their Microsoft Azure Fundamentals track is built with Microsoft and lets you practice real-world scenarios around compute, storage, and networking. Plus, you get a 50% off voucher for the official exam as well. And if you want to get practical with Google Cloud, the Introduction to GCP course walks you through everything from virtual machines to BigQuery and container orchestration, all in a safe browser-based environment. No scary billing surprises, which I know can be hard when you're learning. I've used and recommended DataCamp for years because their interactive labs, that's my favorite part. It lets you actually build and not just memorize. And I've linked all these 3 tracks below. Pick your platform and start building with cloud today. And once you've finished that DataCamp track, you understand the vocabulary, which is very important. Now you need to learn the grammar. You need to learn the architecture. So let me share a story from the time I spent at Google. I was directing a team helping a major healthcare provider migrate sensitive data to cloud. The challenge wasn't how do we create a storage bucket. The challenge was how do we design a network that is secure, compliant, and scalable. That project succeeded not because the engineers knew which buttons to click, but because they understood the system. That is the difference between a cloud user and a cloud architect. And that brings me to the next course. My second pick is for those ready to go deep. It is Adrian Cantrell's Solution Architect course. If you've read my book, Visualizing Google Cloud, you know I believe visuals are the superpower of learning. If you haven't checked out my book, it's linked below. Adrian follows the same philosophy. He focuses primarily on AWS, but here's the secret. Architecture is universal. Even if you picked Azure in step 1, watching Adrian explain how DNS resolution works or how a VPC is subnetted will make you a better Azure engineer or a Google Cloud engineer too. He doesn't teach shortcuts. He builds projects that mimic the real world scenarios. I used to design for really big customers. He teaches you how to fix things when they break, which is extremely important. This course is long, over 70 hours. It is hard. But if you want a career that lasts 15 years, you need this depth. We have the foundation, we have the architecture. Now we need the validation. So my third pick is tutorial dojos. I've helped write certification exams. I know how tricky they can be. You can be a great engineer and still fail the test because you misread requirements about cost effectiveness versus high availability. Tutorial Dojo is the best exam simulator on the market. It works for both AWS and Azure exams. When I was preparing for my own certifications early in my career, realizing why an answer was wrong was often more valuable than knowing why it was right. This platform gives you that insight. It teaches you to read between the lines. So here's the roadmap I would give to my own mentees and my students at University of Pennsylvania. So month 1 and 2, focus. Use the links below to start the DataCamp track for your choice of cloud. Whether that's AWS, Azure, or GCP, don't bounce around, just pick one. Finish a course. This builds your confidence and gets your hand dirty safely. Month 3, 4, and 5, go deep. Use Adrian's course to understand the why and the how of complex systems. Even if you picked Azure or GCP in step 1, his architectural concepts are universal. Month 6 is validation. Use tutorial dojos to ensure that you can pass the exam on the first try. The tech landscape is shifting with AI, but the fundamentals of how systems are built, compute, storage, networking, they're not changing. If you master these 3 resources, you aren't just learning to pass a test. You are building a career that is going to be future-proof. I've linked all these courses below in the description, right at the very top, so you can just pick one and make that your day one. If you found this roadmap helpful, you will like my video on AI engineering here. See you there.